A very good morning to class 5th. Today, 21st December, Monday, we revise chapter 11 as I told you in the previous lecture. So today chapter 11 is about triangles and quadrilaterals. Right? Your chapter 11 is about triangles and quadrilaterals. So here we will study completely about the triangles. What are the side of the triangle? What are the vertices? Angle of the triangle? How you will tell that side opposite to vertex and vertex opposite to the sides? What are the interior and exterior points of the triangle? Right? What do you mean by the point on the triangle? Triangle and its type. This also we will study by two types. First on the basis of side and second on the basis of angle. Right? And the next is about the quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals के बारे में भी हम ऐसे ही deeply study करेंगे. About its vertices, its side, diagonals, angle. What are exterior and interior point of the quadrilateral? About the types of quadrilateral. Right? So now let me start our topic. The first topic is triangle. Our first topic is triangle. So firstly, triangles. So first of all, what do you mean by triangle? Any closed figure, or you can say a triangle is a closed figure formed by three line segments. Right? कोई भी बेटा 3 points here or here. Join these 3 points to make a closed figure. That is called the triangle. Right? If you make like this, then also it is a type of triangle. So basically, a triangle is a closed figure formed by 3 line segments. Remember the point here, line segment. Line segment means which has a fixed length, which has 2 end points. Right? This we will discuss in the chapter 10. Right? So line segment which has 2 ends and fixed length. Triangle क्या होता है आपका? A closed figure formed by 3 line segment. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Clear? Now, what do you mean by the side? So let us take this one. This is a triangle which we use in our day-to-day life, means which we are seeing. This is the shape. So let's give the name first. A, B, C. Right? Now, come to about what are the sides of the triangle. See, this is the symbol of the triangle. This is the symbol of the triangle. So side of the triangle are this one, AB, BC and CA. Right? Clear? These are the sides of the triangle. Next, the point is, what do you mean by vertices? What do you mean by vertices of the triangle? So बेटा जो आपके सिंगल पॉइंट्स हैं A, B, C. इनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Vertices. What we call this? A, B, C. These are the vertices of the triangle given here ABC. Next point come here, that is angles of the triangle. Next part is angles of triangle. So you know there are three angles, 1, 2, 3, right? But how you will write that? How you will write that? So see, अगर आपको एंगल A रिप्रेजेंट करना है, so you will write like angle BAC, or you can say angle CAB. Clear my point? जो आपकी मिडल टर्म आएगी, this one, here is also A and here is also middle one, क्या है यहाँ पे A. So बेटा जो ये A है, ये रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है कि आपका एंगल जो है वो क्या है, एंगल ए को रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हो आप, राइट. सेम वी विल गो विद द बी, एंगल ए बी सी, राइट, और यू कैन गो विद एंगल सी बी ए. मीन्स आप अपोजिट या स्ट्रेट आप कैसे भी राइट डाउन कर सकते हो, बट ओनली द कंडीशन इज जिस भी एंगल को आप रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहते हो, विच एंगल यू वांट टू रिप्रेजेंट, दैट विल बी द मिडल लेटर. नाउ द नेक्स्ट एंड द लास्ट, दैट इज एंगल सी. So see, middle we have need C, so ACB, or you can say angle BCA, right? These are the vertices A, B and C. Now one more point that is main here is in triangle. How many angles are there? There are 3 angles. And the main is sum of these angle. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C. It is equals to 180 degree. Remember this point. Angle A, angle B and angle C equals to 180 degree, right? Clear about this triangle? This is the introduction. Now come to the next topic that is given is side opposite to vertex and vertex opposite to side. How you will find that? Vertex opposite to side. So see, this one is a triangle A, B, C. If you will take A as the vertex, A as a vertex, right here, vertex and opposite side, right? In the question, if it is given that write the side which are opposite to the vertex, so how we will go with that? Like see, the 6th question is here. Mention the side opposite to angle A, angle B and angle C in triangle ABC. So see, here is vertex A. Angle A means in this question is that vertex A. So vertex is A. Opposite side of this. Opposite means which is in front of that, जो उसके सामने हो. So here opposite is BC. If I go with the vertex B, then opposite of B is AC. Right? Now, if the vertex is C, then opposite of this is AB. Clear this one? How to find? If you are taking vertex A, opposite of this is BC. If you are taking vertex B, opposite of this AC. And if you are taking C, opposite of vertex C is AP. Right? This is the way to write side opposite to vertex and vertex opposite to side. Now, after this, the next topic, that is, what do you mean by the interior and exterior or on the triangle? Exterior, interior, and on the triangle. Right? So, this is a triangle. PQR. Any point which is inside, see, inside L, inside will here represent interior. L will be the interior point of the triangle. If I write down outside, M, N, T. So see, these are all points, N, M, T. These are outside of the triangle, right? So this is exterior. Interior, and next will be the exterior. Exterior points are N, M, T. These all are the exterior points. Next is on the triangle. So here, if I put the point like this, S, U and V. So students, see, here I lies, these all points lie on the side of the triangle, right? ये sides पे lie कर रहे हैं, U, V, S. So if they are lies on the side, it means they are on the triangle. U, V and S. Clear the concept? What is exterior, interior and on the triangle. One more point which you have to remember here, that is, triangle is a polygon. Triangle is a polygon with least number of sides. With least सबसे कम number of sides. Clear this? This line very important. Triangle is a polygon with least number of sides. Now, after this, the next point is about triangle and its type. Next is about triangle and its type. Triangle types. So, there are three types of triangle. Basically, there are two types of triangle. First one is on the basis of interior angles and second one is on the basis of sides. So, see how we will go with that. You will take it as first of all, triangle. Then we will study it with the two ways. First one is on the basis of, first is on the basis of sides. Next is on the basis of angle. On the basis of angle. Right? So, in these two types, we will describe three types of the triangle. So, firstly, go with the side. A part is equilateral triangle. A is equilateral triangle. Right? So, students, I hope you all know about equilateral, because in 4th class also we discussed equilateral triangle are the triangle in which all side plus all angles are equal. All side plus all angles are equal. Right? Now, after equilateral, second one is isosceles. B part is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle में क्या होता है आपका? A triangle in which two sides are equal. In which two sides are equal. Right? Like this one and this one is equal, और ये आपकी कोई भी दो sides equal होती हैं, that is called the isosceles triangle. After this, the next and the last part of this is scalene triangle. Last one is scalene triangle. और scalene triangle में क्या होता है बेटा? None of its sides is equal, or you can say all sides are unequal. All sides are unequal. Clear? Once again, on the basis of side, there are three types of triangle. First one, equilateral triangle, whose all sides and all angles are equal. Equilateral triangle, all sides and all angles are equal. Now, it's B part, isosceles triangle, the type of triangle in which two sides are equal. How many sides are equal? Two sides are equal. And the last one is scalene triangle, a triangle in which all sides are unequal in length. Means कोई भी side equal नहीं है, all are unequal. Clear? So these are the types of triangle on the basis of side. Now come to the type of triangle on the basis of angle. So in this we will describe the angles, types of triangle with from 0 degree to 180 degree. 0 degree to 180 degree. Right? So first type here, that is acute triangle. That is acute triangle. So see, जैसे a name represent कर रहा है, acute means small one. So you will go with a triangle in which all three angles less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree is called acute angle. All three angles are less than 90 degree. Clear? That is the acute triangle. Now after this B part, that is right triangle. That is right triangle. सी आप एक्यूट एंगल में यहाँ पे आप ले सकते हो कोई भी एंगल जो आपका 0 to 89 के बिटवीन आता है. 0 to 89 डिग्री के बीच में जो भी एंगल आता है, इधर 45 डिग्री 42 डिग्री, दैट विल रिप्रेजेंट एज एक्यूट ट्राइंगल. दैट विल बी द acute triangle. Now right triangle, a triangle in which an interior is 90 degree, means one angle in triangle equals to 90 degree, like this. One is equal to 90 degree. Right triangle, that is in which one angle is equal to 90 degree, and the C part, which is the last part of this, is obtuse triangle. Which one? Obtuse triangle. So students, what do you mean by obtuse triangle? A triangle in which an interior angle is more than 90 degree. An angle more than 90 degree. In this you will take as from 91 degree to 179 degree. 91 से 179 डिग्री तक आप which are they? Obtuse triangle. Clear? बट सी यहाँ पे 179 आप ये नहीं हो सकता कि आप एक ही एंगल को 180 डिग्री का करोगे, राइट. बट जो आपका स्पेसिफिक एक पीरियड होता है ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल का, वो होता है आपका 91 से 179 डिग्री. बट इन द ट्राइंगल एनी एंगल लाइक हेयर in the question, angle A equals to 102, angle B equals to 45 degree, and angle C equals to 33 degree. So see, in this one angle is obtuse greater than 90 degree na, so that's why it is obtuse triangle. Which type of triangle? Obtuse triangle. Clear? So these are the two types of triangle on the basis of side and on the basis of angle. After this, our next topic, that is about quadrilaterals. Our next topic is quadrilaterals, and this topic we will discuss tomorrow. Clear students? So today work is just revise exercise 11.1 and 11.2.